Hi, my name is Ryan Benson, the Marine Industry Manager for igus North America. I'm here today to briefly talk about the advantages of igus products in the marine and boat building industry. Igus is an injection molded company that produces engineered polymer solutions for a wide variety of motion components. These components are corrosion resistant and require no lubrication, such as our iGlide plane bushings and our Zyros ball bearings. Now let's look into some other components. In the boat building industry, many areas of the boat require simple automation, such as seat rotations. Given that, igus created a slewing ring that we call our PRT systems. They offer a full 360-degree rotation and, like our plane bearings, are corrosion resistant and require zero lubrication. igus also offers our dry spin lead screw systems. These are optimal components for any type of drive or positioning application in the marine industry. In addition to being corrosion resistant and lubrication free, they also offer a quiet operation when in use, making them ideal for pilot doors and stairwell systems. They come in 304 and 316 stainless steel, as well as anodized aluminum for lightweight applications. The last product line I wanted to mention that is suitable for the marine industry is our Dryland linear guide systems. Much like the previous igus products, our Dryland linear guides require zero lubrication, are corrosion resistant, offer a quiet operation and use, and are shock absorbent. We offer the materials in anodized aluminum, stainless steel, and many more, making them suitable for applications such as seat adjustments, door slides, headrests, and many more. To learn more about these products and how they can be a solution to your marine application, please check out the links below or contact your local igus sales representative. Thank you for watching.